Are you tired of the daily grind of the 9 to 5 routine and dreaming of a lifestyle where you have more flexibility and freedom? Transitioning to remote work might be the solution you're looking for. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how you can escape the 9 to 5 and work remotely. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Remote Revolution, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of the latest updates. Let's dive into the video. Step number 1. Self-assessment. Before diving into the world of remote work, it's crucial to determine if it aligns with your preferences and abilities. Start by assessing your work style, communication skills, and level of self-discipline. Reflect on how comfortable you are with solitude, and if your current job is conducive to remote arrangements. It's important to be truthful about your reasons for pursuing remote work and what you expect from it. Taking the time to evaluate these factors can help ensure a successful transition to remote work. Step number 2. Identify remote-friendly industries and roles. Remote work is not possible for every job or industry. However, there are many industries and roles where you can work remotely. It's important to do some research to find out which ones match your skills, experience, and interests. Some industries that commonly offer remote work opportunities include technology, marketing, writing, customer service, and consulting. Step number 3. Develop skills for remote work. If the qualifications for remote jobs don't quite align with your current skill set, don't fret. There are numerous avenues available to bolster your capabilities. Online courses, certifications, and workshops offer fantastic opportunities to upgrade your qualifications. Important skills like time management, digital literacy, and effective communication are particularly crucial in a remote work setting. Number 4. Build your remote network. Networking is very important when you work remotely. You should join online communities, forums, and social media groups that are all about remote work. This way, you can meet people who are also working remotely, just like you. You can learn a lot from their experiences, and maybe even find new job opportunities. Building a strong network of remote workers can help you. It can open up new doors for you professionally. Plus, having a network of people who understand what remote work is like can offer you support and advice whenever you need it. So it's worth putting effort into connecting with others in the remote work community. Step number 5. Create a professional online presence. Creating a robust online presence can significantly improve your prospects of securing remote work. Start by crafting a professional LinkedIn profile and keeping your resume up to date. Highlight your skills, experience, and achievements to showcase your qualifications effectively. Additionally, actively network with professionals in your desired industry, as these connections can often open doors to remote job opportunities. By establishing a strong online presence and fostering professional relationships, you increase your chances of finding rewarding remote work opportunities. Step number 6. Explore remote job opportunities. Once you know which industries and jobs you're aiming for, it's time to start looking for remote work. You can find these jobs on websites where companies post job openings, like job boards or freelance platforms. Look specifically for remote positions that match what you're good at and what you like to do. When you apply for these jobs, make sure your resume and cover letter show off your experience with remote work, your skills, and why you're a good fit. And when you get to the interview stage, be ready to talk about why you'd thrive in a remote job. Step number 7. Negotiate remote work arrangements. When you discover a remote job opportunity that matches your goals and abilities, it's essential to engage in negotiations regarding your remote work arrangements with your potential employer. This negotiation process involves discussing your preferences regarding the frequency of remote work, the hours you'll be available, and the communication protocols you'll follow. By ensuring that both parties have a clear understanding of expectations and responsibilities from the outset, you can establish a solid foundation for a successful remote working relationship. Step number 8. Set up your remote workspace. For remote workers, setting up a good workspace is important. Find a calm and cozy spot in your home or somewhere else where you can concentrate without interruptions. It's worth getting furniture that's good for your body and using top-notch technology with strong internet so you can work smoothly. And don't forget to separate your work time from your time to stay balanced and healthy. Step number 9. Establish a routine. Maintain a consistent daily routine to structure your remote work days effectively. Set regular working hours and stick to them to establish boundaries between work and personal life. Incorporate breaks, exercise, and leisure activities into your schedule to maintain balance and prevent burnout. Experiment with different routines until you find one that suits your lifestyle and maximizes your productivity. Step number 10. Adapt and evolve. The transition to remote work is a journey that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and flexibility. Stay open to new tools, technologies, and ways of working, and be proactive in seeking out opportunities for growth and development. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that come with remote work, and remember that flexibility, resilience, and a growth mindset are key to thriving in the remote work landscape. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to Remote Revolution for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.